Hello, folks. Today we're doing an inspection. Ness, I'm working with Chris. Tell your company because I always mispronounce it.
Sewer-Oscopy.
All right. So anyway, we're doing a stack pipe. And Chris wanted to share with us a little tidbit of information about how you know if you have an outhouse or if you had one in the past. Go ahead. Help us out, Chris.
Sure. So anytime we see a main stack like this is the home's main stack. On the exterior, or in a stairwell like this, it was built after the home's foundation was constructed. So this was an after the fact kind of a thing. And when I see this, it tells me at some point when the home was built, it had an outhouse. The sewer main became available, and then the plumber came in and reran it to create a connection from the home to the sewer main. So this home originally had an outhouse. The main became available, and then they went ahead and put this structure together to get it out to the sewer main. So anytime we see them on the outside, we always know that this is an older home and that plumbing became available. They did this, and this is how they're running their plumbing from here to the sewer main.
Awesome. Well, thank you. You know, I never knew that, Chris. I knew this was kind of an odd place here for a sewer, for a stack pipe, but that's pretty cool. Thank you for sharing that. Hey, folks. Hey, you guys need your sewer laterals cleaned, inspected, worked on, power flush. Give me your phone number if you would. Hey, and you can check Chris out on my radio show.
Sure.
He's been there a couple of times.
Sewer-Oscopy 314-703-3608.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Right,
Thank you for
well.
watching our videos.